How to fix hunched back posture, also known as hyperkyphosis, and why you need to do it until it's too late. Let's get started. I got bad posture when I was 15 by sitting all day long with rounded back playing MMORPG games. Yeah, this is exactly how I sit during that time. Horrible, I know. For the next 5 years, posture never bothered me. Until around 20 years old, when my back started to hurt, neck and upper back began to quickly get tired and numb. And of course, the hunched look became a problem. Also, if you don't work on your posture, kyphosis has tendency to progress, and then things are really getting ugly. You start having problems with breathing, sight, headaches, and the list goes on due to the compression of internal organs that kyphosis is causing. So how to stop kyphosis and get back to a great, strong and painless posture? Because if you just try to keep your back straight by force, in a couple of minutes you will get back to the same hunched posture. And so to get permanent hyperkyphosis fix, you need to attack it from both angles at the same time. First angle is stretch tight muscles that causes forward round shoulders and back. Second angle is strengthening weak back muscles that should keep our back in the correct position. If you get the chest muscles long and elastic and back muscles strong, in our case I'm talking about mid traps and rhomboids, the hyperkyphosis will go away by itself. So let's start with the stretching. Right now I will show you one of the best stretches that I do myself. The main muscles that causes round shoulders is tight chest and front delt. First exercise to open up your chest and stretch pec major and pec minor is corner stretch. First, find an empty corner, put one foot in the corner and put your forearms on the wall. I like to place them a little higher than 90 degrees so that my elbows on the ears level. Then you're gonna bend your front leg and slightly lean forward until you feel deep stretch in the chest. Don't push yourself further too hard. Stop there and hang on for 15 deep breaths. If you go with 90-degree placement, you will stretch more of the pec major muscle. Go higher to stretch both pec major and pec minor with the emphasis to the pec minor, like I do myself. This is really great and easy way to stretch your chest. All you need is the corner. Next stretching exercise is grab your arms behind the back, straighten your arms and squeeze your shoulder blades together. And then try to kinda reach down with your arms. Hold it for 15 deep breaths. This is great stretch for chest, front delt and even biceps. Man, you will feel amazing after this exercise. Next stretching exercise to extend your back is get on your knees, find yourself a bench or a couch, then place your elbows on top of it and drop your upper back toward the floor to get deep stretch in lats and shoulders. Don't force yourself to go too deep, keep this position for 15 deep breaths. Exercise number 4 is the great shoulder mobility exercise. Try to reach your scapula with one arm from the bottom and grab this arm with another one from the top, locking it behind the back. Hold this position for 15 deep breaths and then switch arms. Don't force yourself to not get injured. If you can't reach your arm, use towel to slowly progress toward locking this position with your hands. For example, my left shoulder was way more flexible in the beginning when I just started to do this exercise. If you have this imbalance too, just work on the tight side more. I like this exercise so much, definitely try it out and let me know in the comments below, can you reach your arms from the both sides? Now let's see what you can do to strengthen back muscles to help them keep your posture straight. First, I do one set of 15 reps of Y raises, then T raises and then Iron Man raises. This exercise will work traps, rear delts and rhomboids, all the good stuff that we need. Just lay on the floor and perform first 15 Y raises, rest for 30 seconds, then 15 T raises, rest for 30 seconds and then 15 Iron Man's raises. Next one is one of my all-time favorite called wall press. Stand or sit back against the wall, make sure that your lower back touching the wall, then place your arms on the wall and then slowly slide with your arms to the top and back down. When you do that, you will feel your mid traps on fire because they will work like crazy to keep this position, to keep your lower back flat to the wall and to keep your arms touching the wall throughout the whole range of motion. At first you might have problem with keeping your arms touching the wall, but keep doing this exercise and you will get better. Do 3 sets of 15 reps, 1 minute rest in between. After this exercise you will feel like you're flying. Definitely try it out. Of course, if you have pull-up bar and low bar, Australian pull-ups and regular pull-ups will be amazing to continue strengthening your back. So guys, try these exercises, find what works best for you and then you can do them daily. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you're ready to develop your whole body, click on this video to get my science-based home workout program and to start the transformation with me, download my next workout app using link in the description. Everything you need to get in the best shape of your life you will find there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.